When I started the foundation, I was training some youths, some girls on hairdressing. So there's this specific lady that came. She told me she's a single mother of one. Nikaanza kumtrain. So after like 1 year of training, there's a time someone called me at almost midnight. Habari yako madam? Mimi ni bwana ya fulani. I didn't know she was married. But huyu mtu akaniambia, tulikudanganya hayuko married. Juu tulifikiri una support tu single mothers. Ndio maana tulikudanganya hayuko married. But sababu yenye nafanya na kupigia ni chak train na mimi ngani. Kuro tindo biro ot samoduaro. Kata kawuono sani ekochopo. Sani sabit ka sengo kwa nyithindo manyithindo nindo. To chiemo wacho ni samo wache ni chiege uchopo sanono. Nyako ni tokoko biro training for 4 months.
Okay.
No. Uwok ga ot machore mi fair. Obire training. To an pok anene for 4 months. Kora ngiso chore ni mondi ngami gocho na no pok obiro training for 4 months. Kata kawuono miwacho ni. An pok anene to pok anene for 4 months. Mano tama kaka penji nikech ne onge ng'at manyalo contact. Namba mano miya mar nyamingi nok donji. Koro owacho ni en no release chiege mondo before the training so that they can have something coming from both sides. Owacho ni ka en odhi jua kali to ka chiege be odhi kate saloon moro ka chieng' moro ng'e tich modhi e saloon to they can survive well. But koro en gimoneno ni gima nodhi ogolo nyathi chiege nodhi puonjre ni bokelo mana tuo kato gi tho gi we nyithindo. So una feel the pain kwa voice huyo mwanaume. Like alitoa huyu bibi yake Rosafi aende asome so that to improve maisha yao. Sasa yeye akienda jua kali huko bibi pia anaweza enda huko arudi na 200. But as it is, kitu hii training italeta, hii empowerment kitu italeta ni distraction na watoto wabaki orphans. Sasa hiyo ndio fear ya empowerment, because I think before we empower the girls tunafaa kuambia hatuwa train ndio replace wanaume na hatuwa train so that you play the role of a man. Hatuwa train to play the role of a man. We are just training you to be better human beings.